thanks for joining me. I'm Lisa Bryington, Wild Birds Unlimited Manager at Moana Nursery. Today we're going to make some fun and easy birdseed ornaments from ingredients you have around the kitchen. The first step is to spray cookie cutters over wax paper on a cookie sheet. And you want to be certain to spray each ornament thoroughly in any corners and crevices so that your birdseed treats will release easily. The next step is to heat a half a cup of water with 3 tablespoons of Caro syrup or corn syrup. It can be either light or natural corn syrup. Next, add 2½ teaspoons of gelatin to your mixture. You add 3/4 of a cup of flour and whisk or stir that until it has the consistency of about powdered sugar icing. Looks, as you see here, then add your birdseed, 4 cups. In this recipe I use deluxe birdseed, which is a really great combination of black oil sunflower, which most birds love, some millet and some safflower. It adds a nice texture. It's also a great birdseed for all sorts of birds. Dove, quail, they all like it. The birds that might be around in the wintertime when we're making these Christmas-oriented treats are ground feeders like juncos or spotted towhees that we may not see until this time of year. So great mixture, and then all your usual visitors to your bird feeder are going to love that black oil sunflower. So great mixture, and there's an added bonus. Because of the different textures in this seed, it can go into some of our more complicated cookie cutter shapes really readily. It kind of packs in and fills in there really nicely. So as we're mixing and stirring, we're going to get it to about the consistency of a pretty stiff cookie batter. You want to make sure to dredge down in the bottom and get all of the liquid up and get it thoroughly dispersed throughout the seed. You don't want to have any dry clumps or overly wet, sticky clumps. Once you have your nice hard mixture, or crumbly mixture if you will, thoroughly dispersed with your liquid ingredients and your birdseed, then you're going to take your cookie cutters and you're going to want to work one at a time with your mixture. So one cookie cutter at a time, thoroughly sprayed cookie cutter, and just start packing it down in to the whole cookie cutter, and you can use that cooking spray again, just smoothing, packing, getting it into all of the areas. You're basically trying to eliminate any voids where that cookie could come apart or birdseed treat could come apart. But once you get all of those cookie cutters filled, then take your chopstick or what have you, your skewer, and go ahead, bring it down at least 3/4 of an inch to an inch from the edge of your seed ornament and poke it down in there. You have a fair amount of time to get this part of the process done, but you do want to do it before it's really hard set. So the next part is letting these cure. So what you're going to do is take your cookie cutters, set them on the wire rack, and ideally leave them overnight to cool. You want to have at least 6 to 8 hours for those shapes to set nice and hard. And now that the treats are ready, we're ready to hang them on the tree. Hang it in your yard, anywhere the birds are able to enjoy it.